We set ourselves an ambitious goal, nothing less than to create a masterpiece. Amsterdam is known not only as the Venice of the North, but also as the capital of diamonds. The diamond served as the inspiration for our hotel. Timeless, modern, and perfect in every detail. Our bathrooms fully reflect this perfection. The timeless design chosen by Geberit and sustainability, rather than passing trends, the high-quality materials and soft lines that flow together seamlessly. The city has a rich tradition in the art of diamond cutting and processing, and our diamonds embody timeless values, such as luxury, perfection, and elegance. We have translated precisely these characteristics into the design of our hotel. Our goal was nothing less than to create a masterpiece. So for me, opting for Geberit was the obvious choice. With Geberit, we have found perfection in form and perfection in function.